So Henry, is anyone forcing you to embrace Islam? Did anyone force you?
No, not at all.
And what made you come to Islam? How did you see the light?
Basically, over the summer holidays, I'd never really followed a religion in my life, and I guess I just looked into it because I was curious, and it's just so amazing and so overwhelming that, like, I can't prove it wrong.
Okay, so I want everybody to be quiet for this, because Henry is about to embrace Islam. Please remain silent while this very special moment takes place for Henry. So Henry, I want you to repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha wa illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. In English, I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. Takbir. When you see Henry walking around, give him a great hug and congratulate him, because Henry, you are part of billions of Muslims around the world. And every single one of these people in front of you and more will love you for it, because you are Muslim. And we have something in common now. We all worship Allah. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.